Hey guys, so it's been a while since I've done a YouTube video, but I will start doing them again for our trigonometry unit because it's definitely going to require a little bit more explanation. So the first assignment that we're doing is just a review of the Pythagorean theorem, right? So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That is an important thing to remember, okay? So number one says to find the diameter of the cone. Okay, so this is x because we know that the diameter is equal to the radius squared, right? So if we find x, then we can know what the radius is and we can times it by 2 to figure out what the diameter is. Okay, so I have the hypotenuse and I have one of my sides. So it's going to be c squared minus b squared is equal to a squared. So I have 10 squared minus 8 squared is equal to x squared. Okay, ax, it doesn't matter what my variable is. 10 squared is 100. Minus 8 squared is 64 is equal to x squared. 100 minus 64 is 36. So I have 36 is equal to x squared. So I need to do the square root of x and the square root of 36. So the square root of 36 is 6. So 6 is equal to x. Okay? That tells me what my radius is. So r is equal to 6, okay? Which means that my diameter is equal to 36 centimeters. Okay? Number 2, find the length of the diagonal of the rectangle. Okay? Because it's a rectangle, I know that this side is the same as this side. So this is also 5 centimeters. So now I need to find my hypotenuse. Okay, I'm looking for c. So I've got a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So I have 8 squared plus 5 squared is equal to c squared. Okay, 64 plus 25 is equal to c squared. 64 plus 25 is equal to 89 is equal to c squared. Find the square root of c, square root of 89. 89, the square root of 89 is 9.4. And then this would also be centimeters. Okay, and last but not least, find the length of the unknown sides, because I've got 2 triangles here. Okay, so this is my hypotenuse. Okay, so here I have c squared minus b squared is equal to a squared. Okay, 7 squared minus 2.2 squared is equal to a squared. So 7 squared is 49. 2.2 squared is 4.84 is equal to a squared. 49 minus 4.84 is equal to 44.16 is equal to a squared. The square root, the square root of 44.16. A is equal to 6.6 centimeters. Okay, so x is equal to 6.6 centimeters. And this one here, again, here's my hypotenuse. So I've got c squared minus b squared is equal to a squared. 15 squared minus 12 squared is equal to a squared. 15 squared is 225 minus 12 squared is 144 is equal to a squared. 225 minus 144 gives me 81 is equal to a squared. Square root. The square root of 81 is 9. So a equals 9 centimeters. So x equals 9 centimeters. Okay? If you have any questions, please reach out and I would be happy to help you if this doesn't make sense. Talk to you guys later. Bye.